what is going on with the weather this week after this intro. Extreme weather here. We're talking about what is going on this week, about what is happening, because there will be very interesting about the cold air and a little bit low pressure to see around right corner. You can see it happening right now. You can see it still right there. But we need to also keep eye on something else. On that note, about what is going on up there, because that will going upwards, then it will turn to a very strong system, as it will be strong as like 90, 80, 89 low pressure system. But other hand, there's another low pressure in Brown, Florida at the same time as that. That's really interesting. Those two millibars are almost like aligned to each other at the same time as that. That's really interesting. I was looking at the other low pressure tropical storm. You can see it's at like 98% chance. What I mean about the 80%, because this only right now is just 80%, but in 5 days it will be 90% chance going happening in that could be like Category 1 hurricane, but so far this model guide shows a tropical storm. Here's a track on the European. It shows just slowly moving upwards, getting a little bit strengthening, then very closer to the Florida Panhandle at like almost like 98 millibars low pressure, then it slowly dissipating, then go backwards and upwards. I will show you what the zoom outwards looks like. You can see it right now is slowly pulling up, then a little bit closer to the area, and it will be really a little bit strong. Then it will be pulling upward to like the 90, 75, really mixed a little bit of snow up there. I will show you right now. Well, actually I was wrong predicting about the snow, but actually it's a little bit raining over around that area, around Canada, but around like New York by that area still not much so far about that. And also the last part we'll talking about what is going on about the temperature. This will be about the temperatures, what is going on about the cold air and with the warm air, about that temperatures. But actually it's a little bit chilly because a little bit arctoblast building upwards, then pushing the warm air and stay that way for a little while, and it's going to take a very long time to bring back the warm air. So you can see so far as the temperatures still will be below average for this week. I will prove that right now. You can see where's the below average temperature in this area as right now. You can see at 6 to 10 days outwards, you can see a very cold pool known as the arctoblast in around Oklahoma and also Kansas in a very big area right now, but like in 8 days to 14, it's a little bit less, a little bit cooler, just still a little bit below average, not very much than like 6 to 10 days outwards. Just to let you know what is going on about the temperature, severe weather, and also other things. But this hopefully you let you know what is going on this weekend. But this is extreme weather out here.